Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to automate your workflow by connecting Google Forms to ClickUp using make.com. This setup ensures that every new form response automatically becomes a ClickUp task without any manual copying. Let's get into it. First, we need to head over to make.com and sign in with your Google or Facebook account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Templates. Search for Create a ClickUp Task from New Google Form Responses and click it to load the pre-configured scenario. Next, we need to authorize the connection. Make sure you are logged in to both Google and ClickUp in the same browser. When prompted, authorize Make to access your Google account to read form responses and your ClickUp Workspace to create the tasks. Now, tell Make exactly where you want those tasks to go. Choose your ClickUp Workspace, then think the specific space, folder, and finally the list that will receive the new form submissions. This is the important part, mapping the data. You'll see a list of ClickUp task fields like task name and content. Map the name question from your Google form to the task title. Map the email question to the task description. You can also map other responses to custom fields if you have them set up. Before we go live, let's make sure it works. Click Run Once in Make to execute a test run. Go to your actual Google form and submit a test entry. Check back in ClickUp. If the task appears exactly as you mapped it, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully automated your intake process. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.